Hi there, this is Wendy Means from Smiles and Swirls, and I wanted to start a YouTube channel. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to start it because I've used painting to help me deal with difficult times, and I wanted to do something for other people to help them as well when they're going through a difficult time. And so I wanted to start doing, simple paintings that any age can do, and just pick up some paints and just go for it. So I hope you enjoy, hope you like my channel and share it with others and subscribe. And I'd love to hear your feedback of the things that, like the videos of paintings that you'd want me to do. So this is going to be a channel that's for watercolors, acrylics, learning about art journaling and mixed media, all kinds of things. So enjoy, and bye for now. Bye. Happy creating.